If you're seeing the ChatGPT error that says unusual activity detected, don't worry. This is usually a temporary security check, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. We'll go through the most effective solutions first, starting with the one that solves the issue for most people right away. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, turn off your VPN or proxy if you're using one. This is the most important fix, because VPN IPs often trigger security checks. ChatGPT may think the login or request is coming from a suspicious location, so the first thing to do is disable the VPN completely, refresh the page, and try again. If you're on a proxy, turn that off too. After that, open ChatGPT again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue immediately. If it still isn't working, the next thing to do is wait for a few minutes. Temporary blocks usually clear automatically. Sometimes ChatGPT flags activity for a short period of time and then removes the restriction on its own. So wait about 5 to 30 minutes, then come back and try again. While you wait, avoid repeatedly refreshing or logging in over and over, because that can sometimes make the security check last longer. Next, try logging out and logging back in again. Start by logging out of your ChatGPT account completely, then close your browser entirely. After that, reopen the browser and log back in with your account. This can help reset the session and clear a temporary authentication issue. If you are already signed in on multiple tabs or devices, it's a good idea to close those too, so you're starting fresh. If none of that works, clear your cache and cookies. Go into your browser settings, then open the privacy section and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cached files and cookies, especially for the time range that includes recent activity. After clearing them, restart the browser and sign in again. Old cookies or corrupted cache data can sometimes cause login or access problems, so this step often helps when a page keeps showing unusual activity errors. If you're still seeing the message after all of that, try switching to a different browser or network, and make sure you don't have any extensions interfering with the site. But in most cases, turning off the VPN, waiting a few minutes, logging out and back in, and clearing cache and cookies will fix it. So to quickly recap, disable VPN or proxy, refresh the page, wait 5 to 30 minutes, log out and log back in, and clear your browser cache and cookies. These are the simplest and most effective ways to fix the ChatGPT unusual activity detected error. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.